Every morning, Lapue wakes up ready for a new day as a global mission pioneer. He knows each day brings opportunities to share a new message with his village. Lapue lives in the country of Myanmar, in a village very much like the one he grew up in. He has been working as a pioneer for some time now, but has only lived in this village for about a year. When he began his work as a pioneer, he was focused on sharing the gospel with his village. But Lapue knew that there were surrounding villages that weren't being reached at all. This weighed heavily on his heart, and once his first congregation had grown to a healthy size, he chose to move to a new village. People in this village have quickly gotten to know Lapue and often invite him to come over for a Bible study. This bamboo house is the perfect space to teach and talk with small groups of interested villagers. Each visit features a new topic of discussion for them to dive into. The Bible serves as the foundation of every conversation, and the villagers can't get enough. For those who work all day, Lapue has a special plan. He joins them. He has developed relationships with these villagers by working alongside them. While they work together, he teaches them Bible verses. This often leads to deeper discussions about Lapue's faith. Unfortunately, some time ago, his eye was injured in a work accident. But this hasn't stopped him from getting back out there to share the gospel message. Lapue is meeting people where they are to connect with them, reflecting the example Jesus left for us on this earth. From his labor ministry and visiting homes, Lapue has planted a church of more than 45 members. They meet in his house often for worship and celebrate the gospel message Lapue brought to this village. One of their favorite things to do is sing, and they do it with passion. Please pray as global mission pioneers like Lapue reach people for Jesus. Thanks for all you do to support mission.